Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title below, today we're doing a taste test on American new snacks. But before we get started, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. It does help me. And also, if you guys want to see more videos like this, leave them in the comments below because I am more than happy to do more videos like this. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So before I move all of this to the side, let me go ahead and tell you what we have in front of us, okay? We have Twix cookies and cream flavored Twix. Okay, I feel kind of... We have Twix cookies and cream. I haven't tried this before, at least I don't think I have. And if I did, then I'll have to check one of my old videos. But what is this? And then we have here Snickers peanut butter brownie. Why isn't this focusing? There we go. There we go. And then to our left, we have Lay's Stacks Extra Flaming Hot Lay's Stacks. I was gonna say Pringles. Yes, we have Lay's Stacks Flaming Hot Extra Hot Flavor Stacks, which is like a knockoff of Pringles, because we all know that. And then right here we have Stacks Zesty Queso. Never had this one before, so I'm super excited to try this flavor. And then to our right, we have mini Starburst sours, the grab and go version. This is what it looks like. I think in the last video I did try the, I think it was a traditional Starburst minis or something like that. Something. Don't quote me on that. And then we have Nerds Gummy Clusters, which is, I think it's new. This is what it looks like. Honestly, I don't know what I want to try first. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the Flaming Lay's Stacks first. I kind of have high expectations for this one because flaming hot anything should be really good. Actually, I didn't even know they had this. Ooh, smells good. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. Check out the seasoning on this baby. It actually looks pretty thick. Wow. Actually, all of them, the seasoning looks super thick. Check that out. They are not skimping on the seasoning. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna try this. I don't know if you guys are weird like this, because I do this. I put the seasoning face down like this, so then it touches my tongue first. All right, let's do it. But look at the amount of seasoning that's on that. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is the seasoning. I'm impressed already. This is where it's at. Wow, guys. Now, this is no match for extra hot Cheetos, which are my favorite alongside Hot Puffs, but this is definitely up there. The seasoning on here is just freaking wild. This is so good. I'm gonna give this one 10 out of 10 for sure. Wow, that was truly amazing. 10 out of 10 facts. Okay, so let's go over to the sour, sweet and sour side. I have okay expectations for this one. I haven't heard much hype about this, but if you guys have this, let me know what you think. Mini Starburst sours. I've had sour Skittles before, but never sour Starburst. It smells really fruity. This is what it looks like. Pretty pastel colors. Okay, so the cherry is the dark pink one, and the blue one is blue raspberry, the green is watermelon, and the pink, the light pink is strawberry. I'm gonna try the light pink first because you guys already know.
If I had to be a Starburst, I'll be the strawberry pink one.
The blue one's sour. This tastes pretty good, but I'm not super wowed by it. I think the traditional Starbursts are a little bit more quote unquote juicy, which I don't know how they make it juicy, but it just makes you salivate a little bit more. But this one's okay. I give it like a 7 out of 10. I wouldn't get it again. You know what? Let's go ahead and try a Snickers peanut butter brownie. It looks like there's peanuts in the brownie, so let's try this one. I have yet to be impressed by Snickers nude flavors, so maybe this one will do the trick. Who knows? This is gonna be a no for me. It tastes like just sugar. You don't get really much flavor of anything. This tastes like artificial chocolate and sugar. I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 10. I would not purchase that one again.
Snickers, you let me down. You let me down.
Let's go ahead and try this one. Stax Zesty Queso. Now I'm going to be having high expectations for this because the hot Cheetos were really good. Ooh, look at the seasoning. Check that seasoning out, guys. Look at the seasoning on that baby. Stax, you guys are not skimping on the seasoning, and I commend you guys for that because y'all know we're serious about our seasoning. All right, let's try this. I don't get the zest part as much in this flavor, but it's definitely very cheesy, so this is good. This one's not as good as the Flaming Hot Cheetos, so I'm gonna give this one, I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. I wouldn't get it again, but this one is, you know, pretty tasty. Which one should we try? I've had these original size, the long ropes when I was younger, and I used to be obsessed with those. So I kind of have a memory of what this would taste like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one first, and then we'll do this one last. This is Twix Cookies and Cream. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, also guys, fun fact about these Pringle-like potato chips. These are easier to digest than traditional potato chips because they are already dried potatoes, so they're already cooked and then dried. So then when they're baked one more time, it's already processed a first time. So these are processed a couple of times, so it does digest a little bit better than regular potato chips. Oh my god. Fun fact. All right. Twix Cookies and Cream. Do these look smaller to you than normal? Because I feel like these are getting smaller. Mmm. You know, guys, this is it says Twix Cookies and Cream. Cream with cookie bits, chocolate cookie bar, and milk chocolate. It's a cookie bar, and then it's cookies and cream in replacement of the caramel. But the cookies and cream definitely doesn't taste, you know, you guys just cannot beat a traditional Twix candy bar. Ever. So the cookies and cream Twix, I'm gonna give that one, I'm gonna give them one a 5 out of 10. You know, it's high. Wouldn't get it again. Last but not least, we're trying Nerds Gummy Clusters. It says tangy and crunchy on the outside, sweet and gummy on the inside, like me. It smells so good. It smells like those candy body mists that you would wear when you were in middle school. You guys know the cotton candy sprays where just like body mist and it smells like you dry it around and it smells like cotton candy everywhere you go? This is what it smells like. They have started working with this company. That's what it is. Oh my god, but look how cute these are. So stinking cute. All right, let's try it. These are actually pretty good. It's actually really tasty. The Nerds that they put on the outside does taste pretty tangy and crunchy, and the inside is super chewy. And it does pack a super fruity flavor, surprisingly. Rainbow Nerds surrounded fruity gummy centers.
Sparks are fantastic inventors. A palpable cluster packed with tangy, crunchy nerds. It can't be so tasty, there aren't even words.
Wow, I am actually really impressed with this. Wow, 17 pieces of this for 100 calories? Amazing. I am impressed. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10. This actually tastes pretty dang good. Wow, I'm actually thoroughly shocked. I think this tastes better than the actual Nerd rope. Shook. Okay, so in second place, the Nerds, of course. Let me go ahead and rate it. And in first place, can I get a drum roll, please? First place, you already know, the stacks of flaming hot potato chips. 10-10. Amazing. First and second place, and then as for last place, I'm gonna have to say the Snickers and the Twix and then the Starburst. that is all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite and have you tried any of these. And also give me a thumbs up if you guys do like videos like this. It does help me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.